Welcome to LitCommerce Academy, your go-to resource for using LitCommerce app. Want to move your entire Etsy store to Shopify? In this video, we will show you how to import products from Etsy to Shopify using LitCommerce. Let's get started. First, let's connect your Etsy store to Shopify. Before you start, make sure that you already have stores on both Shopify and Etsy. Now, on the Shopify App Store, search for LitCommerce and install our app. Once installed, you'll be redirected to the LitCommerce dashboard, where your Shopify store will run as the main store. Next, connect Etsy as your sales channel. Click Connect under the Etsy logo, enter your Etsy store name, and click Connect your account. Then, let LitCommerce access your Etsy store data. Once connected, you have successfully linked Etsy to Shopify. Now, let's move to step 2. Import products from Etsy to Shopify. Go to your Etsy store and choose I have products on Etsy and now I want to import them into Shopify. After that, click on Import your existing products now. Here, you can select the options you want, such as auto-link products. This automatically links Etsy and Shopify products if they share the same SKU or UPC. Or you can also re-import deleted products or filter listings to import. Choose to import all listings or just active, sold out, inactive, expired, or draft items. After selecting your preferences, click Begin Import. Wait a few seconds, and your Etsy listings will appear in the Etsy tab on LitCommerce. Now, select the products you want to import to Shopify, click Select Action, then choose Create on Shopify. After that, switch to the All Products tab, and you'll see the newly listed products originally imported from Etsy. Or you can also view them directly on your Shopify store with all your listing information from variations, images, title, quantity, and more. Besides importing listings, LitCommerce also helps you sync product data like price and inventory between Etsy and Shopify. So let's move to step 3. Set up Etsy Shopify Sync. This ensures your data, like price and inventory, stays consistent across both platforms. On your Etsy store, click on Channel Settings to access sync options. Just a quick reminder, with LitCommerce, Shopify runs as your main store, which means all price and inventory rules are set based on the data from your Shopify store. For example, you can enable Price Sync. This feature will automatically update product prices on Etsy based on your Shopify listings. You can also use price rules to increase or decrease Etsy prices relative to your Shopify prices. As for inventory, turn on Inventory Sync to keep stock levels in sync between both platforms. Moreover, inventory rules let you adjust Etsy stock based on a specific percentage of your available Shopify inventory. Or you can set a maximum or minimum stock quantity as needed. Finally, let's discover how to manage Etsy order flows effectively using LitCommerce. Scroll down to the Orders section and toggle on Import Orders to Main Store. Turning on this option allows LitCommerce to pull your Etsy orders into your Shopify dashboard. Additionally, you have some other options such as import orders with unlinked products or keep order number from Etsy. So you can manage all your orders in one single place conveniently and efficiently. Once you're done, click Save Settings at the bottom of the page to apply the features you've set. And that's how to import products from Etsy to Shopify and sync your stores effortlessly with LitCommerce. Want to grow even further? Click Add or Manage Channels to connect platforms like TikTok Shop, eBay, and more. If you have any question, drop a comment below or contact our support team. We are here to help. Thanks for watching and happy selling!